Well, you've made it to the final module. As I am filming this, it's March Madness, so I almost said the final five. Um, well, it would have been final four anyway. Bad analogy. We are going to go ahead and jump in just to kind of remind you how this all links together. We started off with just talking about restructuring how we think of writing and taking it out of the writing classroom and into other classrooms. We've talked about authentic writing tasks. We've talked about collaboration in writing. And we've talked about structuring it so that there is a workload management piece that's in place here in Module 4. So in Module 5, we have kind of the culminating it's the final thing, and we are rewriting our writing lesson. This is the final phase of our project. So we're going to look at why we need to rethink writing, kind of going back to the beginning again. Why do we rethink writing at first anyway? Like sometimes you forget where you started, right? So why were we thinking about authentic writing and implementing writing workshop? Why did we think that was a good idea for building literacy skills across curriculums? Why? And then, okay, what transformations need to happen in order to meet those changes and the requirements of those changes? What do we need to do to engage students and grow writers? How can we include scaffolding, differentiation, and collaboration as parts of those transformations? And so, what we're going to do in the kind of hands-on part is we're going to take our lesson. My Sorry about my phone going off craziness here. We're going to take our lesson and transform it using um, just uh, just looking back at our collaboration, our authenticity, workshop-driven experience. We're bringing it all together into a whole and doing any kind of editing that we need to do. Only one watch and read this time, and it's just taking you back to the Writing Fix website and the idea of workshop so that you have some tools there. There's a lot of things to play with there, and obviously any other readings from other sections that you want to bring into play. Um, Also, you might want to consider creating rubrics for this section as 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 part of that process, so students have some guides, and I may even add some rubric tools for you. Kathy Schrock's website also has those. And then for our final project, we're going to put it all together. This is our final installment of our project. Make any edits or adjustments you feel you need to help clarify your new writing plan. Add a reflection about the process, including what you feel you learned through the process, so that somebody else reading your project, remember we said we want to publish this in a way that somebody else could take it. But I would like to see a piece of reflection from you about how you reimagined writing, how you transformed it to implement in your unit. And I'm going to pause just for a second to get my door. It's neighborhood time at our house. Okay, so basically, the only thing you're really adding from the other units is any edits and adjustments. I'd encourage you to run it by somebody else to get kind of their perspective on it, some fresh eyes. And then I would like you to add the reflection piece, like I'm saying here. Um, and then what you hope for this unit. So imagine a reflection and kind of a thinking forward, how you think writing could possibly be changed through some of these tweaks you've made to an own unit, or how you've maybe transformed your thinking about writing through this unit or through this course. It's been fun journeying with you. I hope you have something you can take away and really use. Um, I I want this to be something you can use in your classrooms, you can share with others, and generate some excitement over improving writing by writing smarter.